Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandian. I'll be the instructor for you this session. Hi, my name is Victor Pandian. So in this session, we are going to learn about ad position, ad rank, and quality score. Okay. So about ad position and ad rank, ad position is the order of your ad in the auction result as compared to the other ads. For example, an ad position of 1 means ad was first ad shown with no other ads ahead. Simple. The first position on your search engine whenever you're looking for some keyword. Let's say digital marketing training, you're looking for it, and the first result over there which says an AD, that's the first position of it. Now it depends upon the bidding, it depends upon the ad quality, it depends upon the location, also a lot of things to be considered when you are looking for ad position. Now at this time, let's say 7 a.m. or 8 a.m., your ad is seen at the first position and there is no competition there. That doesn't mean your ad is at the first position because there's no competition there. That's what it means. Now, if you look at an example, like let's say the peak hour starts from 10 a.m., 11 a.m. On that time, your ad is seen at the first position, and you have the competition over there again, but still you are positioned at the first. That means your ad is positioned as the first position. The second ad, third ad, it keeps on going. Now you try to refresh your page. If still your ad is seen at the first page, that means your bidding what you have done is right. The ad format what you have done is right. The keyword which you have picked is right. Right? So this is how your ad position goes on. In the order in which your ad appears on the page in relation to other ads, an ad position of a 1 means that your ad is in the first ads on that page. That's the first ad. The ad position is determined by a formula called ad rank. Your ad rank is recalculated each time your ad is eligible to appear. So your ad position can fluctuate each time depending upon the competition at that particular moment. As I told you, that same 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. the peak hour starts. If a particular person who has your competitor who is coming into Google Ads and is competing for the same keyword is bidding high, and you're at the top, that means your ad campaign is successful. Now he's bidding more and his ad format is even good and his location, every other stuff, whatever Google considers, that is all good. That means there are high chances he will push you down. That particular campaign or that particular ad will be seen at the first position. That is your ad position. Now, when we talk about your ad rank is determined by majorly two factors. The factor number one is your quality score, and factor number two, your bid amount. Now, the formula goes like this: your ad rank, which is equal to your quality score into your bid amount and into your ad format. So that will give you the ranking over there. Rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4. So you can see if the competitions are really high on your Google search engine, you'll be able to see the 7 advertisement on the first page, the 4 at the top and the 3 at the bottom, depend upon the competition. Now few keywords will have a very rare competition. That means you'll be able to see only 4 or 5 advertisement on your Google search engine result page, the first page. Now, when you talk about the quality score, now what is quality score? The quality score, it's actually, as the name says, the quality of the ad, what quality you're going to give it to the users. It's very simple. Google expects the quality results to be shown to its audience. Now, when someone is looking for a fashion keyword, now that fashion keyword should be there present on your Google search engine, on the headlines, on the description. Now, if I click into it, I have to enter into the page, a landing page where again that particular fashion is being related over there. That gives the quality score. So for quality score is given for each and every single keyword. Starts from 1 to 10. For 10 being the highest, 1 being the low. It is based on the number of clicks, relevance of the ad, quality of the landing page, and triggered by that particular keyword. Now let us look at an example. Let's open a new tab and look for so let's look for interiors. So interiors is a keyword which I'm looking for. Now here the first option says affordable interior design. Now I've just type a keyword here, interiors. Now you will be able to see the interiors on their headline. Now this thing is called headline. Yes, and you can see in the site link extension also, you can see the interiors over here also. Now, can you look at the second example? Again, you can see over here, the interiors. Okay, so now this is the relevancy, your keyword, whatever the customer search query, and you're getting the result starting from your headline. You can see that interiors getting repeated. Now if you look for the competition at this time there is only two competition. Now let's me try to refresh this page. Now competition is gone. Okay, that means at this time only two people are competing, guys. Now let's look at better example. Let me look for digital marketing training. Yes, now for advertisement is there, the competition is relatively high. Now let me refresh this page and check the positions here. Again, Digital Nest is the first position, Digital DigiPerform is the second position, but other two people have gone. Let me refresh the page again. Everybody has gone. Okay, that means right now there is no ad position one for anyone. So this is how your campaign will go on. Now when we talk about the relevance, see again we got the digital nest again. Now if I click on this, so even before clicking on this, digital marketing training is what I searched. Can you see digital marketing course, which is the synonym of training? You can see it on your headline. You can see that Google has highlighted over here. Digital marketing course, training, everything is there which is relevant. Now if we click on this, we will be entering into a page. Now this landing page is talking about my digital marketing program. This is what is called as relevancy. Okay, now Google also consider your ad format. Now what is ad format? This is the ad format. So in previously, like 2 minutes back, if you look for digital marketing training, you might have seen the cycling extensions also over there. Okay, Google consider that. Now this is the extension again. Can you see this? Download brochure, lead, learn from home, SEO, attend online demo. Okay, who is promoting it? Now it's been around 5 times. It's always the digital nest is at the top. Okay, now this is the ad format. This Google consider this ad format also while focusing on your keyword. Now which keyword is giving me this digital marketing training? Now let me remove digital marketing and I'll just put digital marketing courses. Let's see who is coming at the top this time. Again, digital nest, digiperform, interlipad, and we are getting digital 360 over here. Now for this keyword, these people are competing at this time. Okay, competition happens back to back, guys. Okay, so let's go back to the PPT. Now quality score is given from 1 to 10 for each keyword. It is based on the number of clicks and the relevancy of the ads and the quality of the landing page triggered by that particular ad. Now let's open Google Ads and check it even more better. Let's open google.com, ads.google.com. Let's sign up. Sign in. Okay, so we have got into it. Now let's click upon all campaign. Let me search for the search campaign. Just a minute. So, okay, let me search for the search campaign which is active right now. Okay, so this is the campaign right now which is active. You can see the number of clicks that which we our campaign has got and number of conversion what we have done. Okay, and cost per conversion is 6.60. Okay, which is really good. Now let's get into the campaign and understand the quality score of each keyword. So before getting into that, we'll be able to see the search queries first. So let me scroll down. Let me click upon this food photography and let me understand the customer search query over here. So customers are searching for these searches like, food photography, food photographers in Bangalore, food photography in Bangalore, food photographer. So these are the keywords what customers are searching on Google. Now for each and every single keyword, we'll be having a quality score. Now how to understand the quality score? You just need to click upon that particular keyword. So for this particular keyword called photography, where they are used the match type phrase match, it has gained 79 clicks and the impression has been really great, like 120, 1218. But the click-through rate is 6.49, which is not bad, which is good. But for this average CPC is 18.16. Now whenever this keyword is being shown, my ad is shown, I'm losing around 18.06. Now, if you look at here towards the right side, you can see the quality score, which is 5 out of 10. It's okay, it's not the best thing and all, but anything crossing beyond 6 is to be considered as the best quality score. Now let's check the second one. Let's go back again. So this time let's look for this food photographer over here. Let me click upon this. And here, can you see the quality score? 7 out of 10. That means this particular keyword is having a very good quality score. Now it has gained 8 clicks, 90 impression, 8.89 is the average CTR. Now let's take a last example and understand the CTR and quality score. Now this fed plus food plus stylist. So they have used the keyword broad match modifier over here plus food and plus stylist. So these two key terms should be there when customer is searching for the services. 6 clicks, 70 impressions, and the quality score is low, 4 out of 10. So try to focus on 10. If you have 10 out of 10, that means it is having a very good quality score. Okay, so that is ad rank. Now let's take an example when we talk about the ad rank here. Now three advertisers are focusing. Now what does Google consider? Google consider majorly on ad bid. Okay, how much you are able to pay Google. Now your 50% of the impression will go, I mean 50% of the preference is given for your bidding, that how much you are ready to pay to Google. The 40% of importance is given for the quality score, what we saw just now. Then 10% is given for the ad format, what is the final advertisement your customer is seeing. Now this combination 50 plus 40 plus 10 gives you 100%. That will determine your ad rank. Okay, now advertiser 1. Now let's say 6. That means out of 10, on 6 he is focusing on his bid limit. Okay, that means Google is asking 100 rupees, he is paying only 60 rupees over here. Now quality score, 10 out of 10 quality score is there for the each keyword. Now ad format is also 10 out of 10. That means he is eligible to get placed over here. Now if you look at the second option over here, Google is asking 100 rupees, he has given 100 rupees, 100 out of 100, 10 out of 10. But the quality score is too low, that is very too low, that the keyword what is focusing, the landing page what is focusing, the ad what is focusing is only 3. The ad format is 10 out of 10. Now he is eligible to get places 3. Even the quality score is 3, but he is maintaining another two things, so he is able to get placed in second place. Third advertiser, he's paying out of 100, he's paying 80 rupees over here, which is good one, and the quality score is 5. That means half of what this guy is having, half of it. Now when you talk about ad format, even that is even more poor. Now the ad rank goes even more down. He stands at the third place. This is how your ad rank will look like. Now how to improve your quality score? First thing, expected click-through rate. Now if you look at this result, we have something called as click-through rate, right? 8.57, which has gradually improved going on. So your ad relevancy, your landing page experience, it should not keep on loading like this. It should, the moment the landing page is clicked, it should pop up like this thing. It should be faster. That's what I meant. Now, click-through rate or CTR, the number of times your ad received a click divided by number of times your ad was shown to the people. So clicks divided by impression into 100 will give you the CTR formula. Okay, a CTR of 1% to 1.5% is considered decent, but decent. Okay, anything higher is always great. Now relevancy, there should be a clear link from your search query, customer search query, to the ad, and the ad format, the headline, the description, from the ad format to the landing page. Okay, this should be the relevancy always which you have to focus on. For example, customer is searching for women's shoes, he's seeing the result and he's entering into the landing page. Okay, women's shoes, good quality score. Again, depending upon, this is the keyword. Okay, women's shoes is the keyword, he's seeing the description, he's seeing the headline, he's getting into the landing page, he's able to see the women's shoes, good quality score. Second option is searching for women's shoes, is getting the result, is getting into the landing page. Shoes in general, quality score okay, average. Okay, but when you talk about the last one, women's shoes, is searching, he's getting the result, he's entering into the landing page, he's seeing the men's shoes, poor landing page. Okay, so you have to optimize your keyword, campaign, headline, description, landing page, and how quickly it loads. Landing page quality. Landing page quality is the page that people see after clicking your ad. It could be one of your website pages or a page created only for a specific campaign. Apart from the relevancy, the quality of your landing page is determined by how quickly it loads, how original it is, how easy it is to navigate. Add product catalog to the relevant search, keywords, put highlighted, add relevant keyword and call to action. If you focus on this, you'll be able to get a better quality score and your rank or the campaign will be really successful. Hope this session was really informative for you guys. Okay, work upon it. Whenever you're creating a campaign, keep these inputs in your mind. Okay, see you all soon in the next session. Thank you so much. All right. Hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.